guys, welcome. How are you guys doing? All right, let's get into this look. First and foremost, you want to clean your face, and as I tell you, I always use, well, not really, but I use a wipe. If you got wipes laying around the house, go and pick it up, or just something to clean your face. Next are my brows, okay? I'm gonna get these cleaned up and brushed out. You want to brush them as far as you can. I am using this brown, I think it's like a pen, a brow pen. Or get this focus in. The camera can't focus right. All right, so I'm going to line my natural brow length, okay? Like so. I'm gonna do the other brow. Make sure they're like cousins. They don't have to be identical twins, but make sure they're at least related. There you go. Hey. Now I'm just going to stencil in to fill it in like so. Look at that. That already look good. Already looks like a natural brow. Now I'm going to go back in with my brown eyebrow pencil and just color it in, shade it in. Then I'm going to go in with my stencil, my stool, and just brush that in so it can look natural and blend in like so. And now I'm going to use this angled brush, and I placed number 2 concealer from Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics on it. I'm just going to trace my eyebrow like so and drag it on down to blend in, and do the other eye as well, just tracing them. You want to blend out, and I always use a lighter underneath and then a darker concealer on top of the brow. I don't know why I do that, I just do. I think I got that from somebody, but not for nothing, it works for me. Okay, put some in the center, so I want to just clean that up in the center part right there. Just blend that in. And you want to blend that in on each side like so. Look at that brow, looks natural. Now I'm doing to the other brow as well. There we go. Those are my brows. And then I just went back in with my stool. We're good to go on the brows. Check them out. Okay, next is my Professional, just to prime my face and rub that in. And I got that prime, that Professional, and that is my Pro Concealer in orange. But I got that Professional from AliExpress for like $13, and people are like, what? That big old thing for $13? Yes. So I want to blend this brown, this concealer, orange concealer in, and if you see, it kind of like neutralized my whole face to one color. Now I'm getting my foundations. I use 2 different ones, Fit Me as well as the number 2 foundation from Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics. You're just going to want to blend all of that in like so. And I extended it to my ears as well as to my neck area so everything can blend. You see some people be on TV and they neck don't match they makeup. It's because they don't blend out and blend down. So you want to blend all of that, your neck down, and even your shoulders in some cases, depending on what you're wearing. Okay, and now I have oily skin, so I put a translucent powder on top of my foundation so it can stick and stay. I actually saw that on some kind of beauty channel, and it stuck with me. So that's what I do, and it works for me, and it actually keeps me from getting oily. I'm going back in with my concealer for my highlighted areas up under my eyes, my nose, up under my nose area, my chin, and my forehead. And then like I tell you, I put a little brown concealer with that highlighter just so the highlight won't be as drastic. Then I use a smaller blender and I blend everything in. And so blend is your friend, honey. You don't want them sharp edges, okay? So just blend in until you can't really see it no more. Most people are like, well, I want to see the makeup. No, you want it to look as natural as possible, so blend. And then I'm going in with my loose powder to set those highlights, and that loose powder is from Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics. Now I'm going to use my little 3D palette that I got from the beauty supply to do my contouring. Doing my cheekbone area, my hairline, my bridge of my nose, under my lips. And then I'm going to use my blender ball from Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics to blend everything in. And I go up under my lip because it makes my lip have a shadow up under it, so it appears to be a little fuller. And you just blend everything in. So, I'm just checking everything out. I'm using the Tropical palette by Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics. I'm going to use this brown right here. But first, let me base or set my eyeshadow. And I'm just going to base my eyeshadow, my eyelids, and fanning so they can dry, and rubbing it in just so it can balance out. Now I'm applying the brown eyeshadow from the Tropical palette. And like I said, I just put as much on there as I think is enough. This is a natural look, so I wasn't trying to bombard my lids with product. I just wanted it to be on there enough to where you can see it. I'm just blending it in. Filling it in, and now I'm going to use this gold right here. I'm going to put that underneath my brow, like so. Okay, and blend all the way down to the inside of my lid. And I'm going to the next eye and do the same. As like I said, I am not putting a lot of shadow. I'm just blending it in. And now I am going to be using the Butterfly Effect lashes by Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics for this look. My eyes get so teary whenever I apply mascara. When I apply eyelashes. There they go. Now, it's this technique that makes your eyes look fuller and big. I got this from America's Next Top Model by Tyra. If you put white eyeliner under your eyes, it makes your eyes pop a little more and appear to be a little bit bigger. So I wanted to use this for this look. Now, I'm using a mascara from Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics for my underlid lashes. There you have it. Now I'm going to use this particular gold right here for my highlight. Nice and subtle highlight, nice and subtle highlight. Just put it in on both of my cheekbones because I'm serving cheekbones on the platter, baby. Okay? Eat your heart out. Cheeky bones. That's the Indian. And I always put it above my lip just to let my lipstick or my lips pop. And I'm going to put it in the creases of my eyes just to give a little highlight there. And now I'm using the chocolate matte lipstick by Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics. She has a liner, but I don't really use it. I know how to line my lips up pretty good, and there you have it, baby. Yes. Now I'm going to stay spray to set my makeup. A little spots there, fill that in. Okay. Now, there you go, honey. That's the look, the natural beat. Face. There you go, honey. Yes. How you doing? Alright, you guys, that's the video. I hope you guys liked the look that I did. It was more so a natural kind of beat, if you will. All my products are from my sponsored Lip and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics. If you saw something in this look that you would like to purchase yourself, go ahead and go to the description box down below. Place my code into the brackets and you will get a discount, okay? So thank you guys so very much for tuning in. Tell me what you think about the look down in the comments below, and me giving you guys more of makeup tutorials. So you're here for it? Should I just stick to the commentary? Let me know what you think down in the comments below. While you're there, again, please check out Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics. Use my code and get a discount upon your purchase. Thank you guys so very much. This has been How I Do It with Whitney D. Bye.